use Redlist to manage our equipment, all the oil changes on our equipment, cranes, semis. I could track it through our third-party suppliers and our personal mechanics, and as they complete stuff, it comes back to me, via text. It's real user-friendly.
I mean, there's just thousands of different applications. You've got pumps, motors, actuators that all just need tracked, and it's an awesome application because you can actually put in each individual pump or actuator or door frame if you really want to go that detailed. It's really just a matter of how much you want to put in and how much you're going to get out of it.
Every day I have a vehicle inspection. Redlist helps us know what needs to be taken care of in the vehicle, and it lets us know at a faster rate than if they just offhandedly tell one person. It immediately goes to our shop manager, who knows exactly where he needs to be to fix this vehicle so that it's drivable.
So with Redlist, we're able to get ahead of any of our maintenance. Before anything goes catastrophic, we're able to know in advance if light bulbs need changed or pumps or actuators are going to go bad, because we're able to track those things.
Before Redlist, I was forced to use just like one computer to track all my maintenance. Now I can use my phone, my iPad, several computers. I could do it at home.
Now I get the report daily, and I can see if somebody has done something. It's a yes or a no. And if they haven't, then I know exactly who I need to contact.
I can quickly download any of the information I need into reports. That creates a much more transparent and informative picture of how our company is doing.
Now that we use Redlist, it's easy for us to track which mechanics are getting their work done, how much time they're putting in for a cost savings and cost tracking.
Redlist has made my job much easier and more efficient. It has allowed us to reduce the time in which we bill our customers. We can quickly get the information we want from those in the field and input it into our accounting system.
Redlist lets us have eyes and ears pretty much everywhere.
Redlist really does make my job easier. It helps me know what I need to do to help the others out in the field, and it helps eliminate a lot of the paperwork that I would have to do.
Before Redlist, we used to have everything in paper format. Now with Redlist, we've really reduced and condensed that process. An operator can finish his job and send us that information immediately after his job is done. It's in Redlist.
I definitely think Redlist is worth it. It does make things just easier.
Redlist makes my job possible, and I manage hundreds of pieces of equipment.
Redlist has completely changed the way we operate and do business.